Hello everyone, just a quick park and grab today on a rainy day. I'm just coming down in between on the cycle path between the and yeah, just trying to find this multi which I found or worked out the clues a while ago. Coming up upon it now. Down here, I believe. Alright, let's get the cash out, sign it, be back to you. I didn't show that in the film that I've signed it, but it's pouring with rain, so I'm getting back up to the car quick. That will be it for today's video, just a short one. But thanks for watching, and I hope you have a better day than what I'm having here. See you next Saturday. Cheers.